All right, so what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Rick Ross, the Hitmaker Man. I want to welcome y'all to the official Sound Doctrine YouTube channel, where we teach you tips and tricks on how to move faster and efficiently throughout your Pro Tools sessions. Like, comment, subscribe for more tips. So today you're going to be learning how to use the shortcuts A and S to clean up your sessions on the go and to help you move fast and efficiently when it comes to recording artists that loves to punch in. Let's head over to Pro Tools. All right, you guys, so we got our session loaded and we finna just play around, make up some bars just so y'all can get a glimpse of what this actually looks like. So here we go. Okay, teach them how to do it. Teach them how to do it. All right, so what you would do is click the insertion point right here for the things you want to cut off from the beginning. Hit A, you will see it delete. Click the insertion point after everything that you want to keep and hit S is going to delete it. Double click it, hit F, bring it down and ready for the next punch in. Okay, teach them how to do it. 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 Same thing here. Hit Control A, delete everything. Hit Control S, delete everything after. Drag it down. And this is fast and efficient. I'm gonna show y'all one more way. Teach them how to do it. Teach them how to do it. It ain't nothing to it. Nothing. We'll just redo that. Teach them how to do it. Teach them how to do it. It ain't nothing to 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 it. Pro Tools. We on Pro Tools. About to show you how to use Pro Tools. Boom. A or S or delete. You can Control T or Command T on the Mac and drag it down. It ain't nothing to it. Now, the thing is, we're moving fast and efficient with the artist, but we're also cleaning the session as we go. It ain't nothing to it. 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 Pro Tools. We on Pro Tools. About to show you how to use Pro Tools. Pro Tools. We on Pro Tools. Using Pro Tools like a pro. Pro Tools. Let's go. So yeah, man, that's the lesson for today. Short, quick. A, S, and Control T. Ways to move faster and keep your session clean as you go. If you like the advice, if the advice was helpful, I need you to like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube, man. Dropping videos daily. I know a lot of things about Pro Tools, and it's about that time that we share it with the world, man. So like, comment, subscribe. Welcome to Sound Doctrine. I am your teacher, Rick Rogers, worldwide. Let's get it.